Alright, so I'm back out in the garage. Yesterday I got the Fender all stripped. I used the aircraft stripper to strip it off. And I have a little bit more work to do, but for the most part it's all off. But I ended up going and getting some more gas, so I kind of want to get back to welding that and get it all welded up. So yeah, I got 2,000 pounds of gas, so that small little tank. I was looking to upgrade my tank size, but it would have been like $200, so I just did the swap out. This is a little bit more cost friendly. Swapping this out, it's like $35 versus $200 for buying a tank plus the fill fee. Together that's 200, just over $200 for them both. But I'll get a different tank at some point, a bigger one, but for now this $35 one will work fine. Let's get at it. Alright, so I'm going to end it there. I have a little bit more to do still, but I started doing the lower pinch weld areas, but I have a few holes here to finish up. I'm leaving this hole because this is a body hole. A trim piece goes in there. It holds a piece of trim down there. I'm not sure if I'm going to put it on yet or not, but I'm going to leave it there for now. But yeah, I'll come back. Alright, so I'm back in the garage. I'm going to try to finish getting this welded in. and ground down, try to get it done. Heater's on. Let's get at it. So my battery ended up dying, but I finished doing a lot of the rough grinding all down the rocker, and then out of the pinch welds I got those rough ground in. I'm gonna have to go back through, and there's little spots that I gotta touch up welding and then finish grinding it, and then hopefully then I'll be done with the rocker. I ended up cleaning up the fender a little bit more, and I can see why there was Bondo in this area. Not really sure. There's like a little dent here. It doesn't feel too bad, but there's all these little holes in here. I don't know what they did, whether it got hit and then they pulled it out and then they just threw Bondo on it. So I might try to knock this out as best I can. Fill these holes. I'm gonna fill this, but fill these holes and then just Bondo it back up some. There was a Bondo spot back here also. This is just a little wavy. I might have to do if they can't get to the backside to knock it out, but that's probably why. It's not that bad. But there's the fender on the truck. So yeah, hopefully next time I come out tomorrow, I'll be able to finish the rocker. So much grinding, weld, grind, do it over, try to make it look good. Good enough for like Bondo. Probably all these joints I'm gonna end up putting like a fiberglass filler on it just to reinforce it, and then I'll go back with like a finer filler and smooth everything out good. But progress. It's starting to look like a truck again. Alright, so I'm back out in the garage. I did a couple welded areas, touch up on the rocker, and I'm gonna go back and do some more grinding on it, finish grinding. So there'll be a lot of grinding, I'm sure, to get it looking good, but yeah, back at it. Well, I'm done for today. I did finish welding up what I needed to, started grinding on some stuff. Got everything, most everything ground. I need to go back through and touch up a couple spots and grind some more intricate areas. But for the most part, I have let's see, all this. I touched up some spots after I went back through, but I have all this, ground all this down through there, ground the pinch weld areas to make them look a little bit better. I still have yet to grind here and then up here, but I'm gonna do that another time. But I'm done for tonight. Putting stuff away and gonna go inside and chill out. And then back at it on a different day. Still plenty more to do, so I'm not gonna run out of stuff to do. But I'm done for now.